Software Spring. Presents. How to create a project dashboard and budget tracker in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to create a project dashboard and budget tracker. I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your support. Here is an intro to a project dashboard and budget tracker. Project dashboard. A project dashboard assists to get an overview of top-level project info, including the budget and the amount spent on each project. Budget tracker. A budget tracker's key components include the payment or advance payment data. Using the SUMIF function, the total expenses of a project event can be extracted from the budget tracker into the project dashboard. Create a pull-down menu for project status. Moving forward, let's create a pull-down menu for the status column, as such a menu helps save data entry time and effort. First, select this range. Click Data and Data Validation. Click Add Rule. Ensure the criteria field is set to drop-down. Type a value. Click this down arrow and select a color. Type another value and select a color. Click Add another item. Repeat the steps for as many items. Click Done and close the data validation frame. Select a status value for each project. Calculate the project days left. OK, to calculate the days left, I will use the if and today functions. The if function formula is. The today function formula is. Here is the if today function combo formula, with the actual values. The if function checks whether the status has a value of complete. If status is equal to complete, if will assign a value of NA. Else, today's date, returned by the today function, will be subtracted from the end date to calculate the days left. Let me type the formula. Alright, because the project status is complete, if has returned NA. Use SUMIF to extract amount from budget tracker. OK, using the SUMIF function, let's extract the amount spent on project into this cell from the budget tracker. The SUMIF function formula is. OK, type the equal to symbol, SUM, and select SUMIF. For range, first, switch to the budget tracker. Select this range. For criterion, switch back to the project dashboard. Click a project name, for which you want to get the sum of amount spent. For sum range, switch again to the budget tracker. Click this range, as it has the amount spent on each project. Press Enter. There you go. This is the total amount spent on this project. Copy the formula down these cells to extract the sum for the other projects. Use conditional formatting to highlight costs exceeding budget. To highlight costs that have exceeded the budget, I will use conditional formatting. Highlight this range. Click Format and Conditional Formatting. To specify a format rule, click this field. Scroll down till you see Custom Formula. Click Custom Formula is. Type this formula. This formula checks whether the value in cell H4 is greater than the value in cell G4, and, if true, formats the cell with the specified color. Click Fill Color and select a color. Click Done, and close the Conditional Formatting Rules frame. There you go. The amount exceeding the budget has been highlighted. Summary. A project dashboard gives a top-level snapshot of the projects, budgets, costs, and others. A pull-down menu, for example, for project status, minimizes data entry effort and time. Conditional formatting can be used, for example, to highlight a project cost that has exceeded its budget. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.